Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything and nothing.
Alright, so it's Monday. So it's Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. And we have the Canuck, whatever it is. We got an oats mask. It's for balancing, nourishing, and moisturizing collagen essence mask. And we're going to try this out. And then, well, we have more boxes from Whatnot. So if you want to see what my husband orders in the middle of the night on Whatnot, go ahead and stick around and enjoy the show. Alright, this has a lot of essence on it, so we're just going to squeegee it out a little bit. Let me get this on, I'll be right back. Alright, and we have our little Edgar suit mask. Alright, so we have our mask on, we have our cover on, and we have boxes to open. Now my husband has opened these to make sure that everything is here, and some of this stuff I can't quite unwrap fully, just due to the fact that they're for gifts. Well, one of them is for a specific gift, and that is this, and it is a Badgley Mishka. I don't really know what that is. Handbag, and we can't show this one because my sister watches. It's all over. Alright, and then we have this, which is a Badgley Mishka handbag. It has a gold accent with the vegan leather straps. Inside it is a nice tote with a zipper pocket to one side. And in the powder blue, I was kind of digging the powder blue. Apparently my husband listens. It does have a tag here that says it retails for $129, which he did not pay that for it. I would really kick his butt for that if he was paying $130 for a handbag. Yeah. No matter what name is on the bag, we would have problems if he's spending that much on bags. Alright, and the second box. Now this one he got for Renee. But I can show it because I will be giving it to her before she sees this, before the video comes out. And this is another Badgley Mishka, has quilted and the little pearls. It has a strap with pearls, and it's wrapped with the little vegan leather strap here is wrapped with silver accents. And it was the color. The color reminded me of Renee. So the problem is that on camera it looks Tiffany blue, but in person it looks more green to me. But we have a clasp here with a little front pocket, and it's got a pocket here. Oh, let's see. It's got a pocket here, and then a zipper pocket here. And I wasn't able to get her anything for her birthday, so I kind of figured it would be good for a belated birthday gift. Very belated. It is March and her birthday was in February. And the it says it's the price tag on it says $129, but again, we didn't pay that. And Renee is definitely the type of person that if I paid $129 for a bag and gave it to her, she would freak out. She would be like, I know you didn't spend that kind of money. So I'm excited to give this to her, even though it's not exactly the color that it looks like in the camera. And then I saw one in the same color that I liked. So this is, this is another Badgley Mishka. It has the gunmetal detailing, and it's got a little hand strap here, and the clasp. And it has a zipper pocket here, and another just open pocket there, as well as a shoulder strap. I saw that and I was like, very much liked that structured look of the bag. We'll just put that there for now. And let's see, the tag on this, I believe, probably says $129. I think they all say, oh, this one says, that one says $159. And then this one as well is Badgley Mishka. Just kind of like the idea of the slouchy bag with the little detailing there. The clasps and stuff on this are gold. And it has a shoulder strap here, or a little handbag kind of strap there that would come out like this. It has a zipper pocket here, and then on the other side there are some open pockets. Kind of looking at this, it kind of reminds me of my mother-in-law a little bit. I might actually have to give that up to her. She may claim it from me. So it's kind of what my husband does in the middle of the night. He gets on Whatnot and he shops. We did go to the mall recently, and we went into Bath and Body Works to look for a spray for my son that does not smell like sweat, because the one he uses now makes him smell like BO, and I don't know if it's just a teenage boy thing, but the smell of it, I used to love the smell of it, but for some reason it's getting it's bothering my sinuses lately. So we went to get him a spray, and then it was like, oh well, we have a buy 3 get 3 or a buy 2 get 1, and so we got his. And then they had this pistachio glaze, and it smells so good. It kind of smells like a perfumey version of like pistachio ice cream. And I kind of like smelling like a dessert. And speaking of desserts, this one smells like strawberry pound cake. And it smells yummy. Like, I smelled it and I wanted to eat the little strip of paper that I had sprayed it on. It was so good. Alright, I'm going to take this off. Gonna spread the serum over my face and down my neck and put it on the old man elbow here. So, like I said, that bag I will be able to give it to Renee this weekend, and this video won't come out for 2 or 3 weeks. So, there's that. All right, so that is it for my Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. This is a collab with the Beauty Ninjas, so go check out the playlist. That is in the description box. Check out the other ladies. If you don't have them, you know, I mean, why not? Go over there, hit their subscribe button, hit their thumbs up, and send them a nice comment and tell them I sent you. And if you hear from their channel, welcome to the weirdness and the madness, all right? We just kind of do whatever over here. Mostly we do makeup, but, you know, we have a little weirdness from time to time. And I might be adding in some gardening content here in a few if I can get my garden up and going. So I'm excited about that. All right, yeah. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the